Hello and welcome. My name is Lauren, and today I will be guiding you through a yoga nidra to support you through change. Your nervous system needs extra love and nourishment so that you feel supported and able to move through and navigate change without any extra emotional turbulence. This fully guided yoga nidra meditation will hopefully offer you a feeling of being carried through your change easily and without resistance. To begin, make yourself really comfortable. Traditionally, this is in a lying down position or shavasana. If that's not available for you today, please take whatever feels right for your body, where you can relax and feel completely supported. Use props to support the body, like pillows under the knees or head. Possibly use a blanket to keep you warm, and maybe even cover the eyes with a light cloth or eye pillow. If you haven't already, go ahead and close the eyes or take a soft gaze and begin to become aware of your body on the surface below you. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, let it out the mouth. Deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, let it out the mouth. One more time, deep breath in the nose. Exhale, letting it out the mouth, letting any tension go with it. Begin to mentally scan the places of your body that are touching the surface below you, starting with the head. Each time you tune into a part of the body that is touching the surface below you, feel, sense, or imagine a softening in that area by letting the body part feel really heavy. Beginning with the head, allowing the head to soften and feel really heavy. So heavy the neck can relax all the muscles that work so hard all day long to support the head. Moving down, feeling the places of your shoulders and upper back that are touching the surface. Softening into those areas by allowing the upper back, middle back, and low back to become really heavy. Moving down, feeling the sacrum, the buttocks, backs of the legs, all really, really heavy. Continuing to move down, the knees, calves, ankles, the heels that are touching the earth, becoming heavy, so heavy that everything softens. And now scan the front of the body, starting at the toes, making your way all the way to the top of the head, feeling, sensing, or imagining a softening in the front of the body by letting each area feel really heavy. Letting the tops of the feet feel heavy. Moving up the shins, mentally scanning at your own pace all the way to the top of the head. Softening each body part that you tune into by trusting that that body part is becoming so heavy. Making your way to your face, the jaw becomes heavy, that the teeth slightly part. The tongue is so heavy that it falls away from the roof of the mouth. The eyelids become heavier and heavier as they start to still and settle down. Inviting your sankalpa to the practice now. You may use one you are working with, or to support you through change, you may want to mentally repeat, I am open to letting this change feel easy and effortless. As I begin to name body parts, allow your awareness to flow effortlessly to the body part and tune in to the sensations you're feeling there. Move all of your attention and awareness to your third eye center, focusing and feeling the opening of your third eye center, the hollow pit of your throat, right shoulder, elbow, wrist, tip of the thumb, first finger, second, third, fourth finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, base of the throat, left shoulder, elbow, wrist, tip of the left thumb, first finger, second, third, fourth finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, center of the chest, right chest, left chest, base of the throat, third eye center, your breath, resting your awareness now on the natural breath. Feeling and sensing each wave. The wave of the inhale, the wave of the exhale. Not changing or shaping the breath in any manner. Just watching. Could you begin to count down now from 17 to 1 like this? Inhale 17, exhale 17, inhale 16, exhale 16. Taking your time, continuing at your own pace. There's no place to be. Can you begin to now find places in the body or experiences in the body where you feel, sense, or imagine a sense of rigidness? Finding and exploring the rigidity in your body. Not changing the experience, but just noticing. And can you now let go of the stiffness and resistance of rigidity and find and open to a place of flexibility in the body? Where can you sense or trust a feeling or sensation of flexible? And now, can you open to the experience of holding both the rigidity in the body and the flexibility at the same time? Experiencing both equally. Sensing or trusting rigidity and flexibility at the same time. Let that go now and just rest. Witnessing in silence. Deeply at peace. Feeling the true self as an undercurrent to your rest. Inviting back your sankalpa, mentally whispering 3 times, I am open to letting this change feel easy and effortless. Can you tune into the emotions and the feeling and felt sense of what it already feels like to allow this change to feel easy and effortless? Noticing thoughts or emotions that come up as you let that feeling of ease during your change resonate within the body. Each cell turning over and creating a new experience for you. A new version of you that allows you to move through change easily. Can you start to notice your breath again? Feeling the rise and fall of the belly. Noticing sounds that you hear. The sound of my voice. The sounds far away. Moving into the body and sensing the body on the surface below you. Tuning back into any shifts that you notice from your practice. Lingering in the resonance of Yoga Nidra. The feeling of rest and of shifting from the subtlest of the energetic bodies Can you notice now how the rest of your day shifts from you taking this time to rest and unfolding exactly how you want it to, with ease, effortlessly. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, sigh it out the mouth. One more time, big deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, sigh it out the mouth. Feel free to linger here for as long as you need, soaking in all the magical feelings that the goddess of Yoga Nidra has brought you. And when you feel ready, you can open your eyes and take small movements, whatever feels the best for you. Thank you so much for being here with me today for this practice. I hope that you find a little ease and comfort and support as you move through your change. I would be so grateful that if you really liked this meditation, that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so that you don't ever miss a Yoga Nidra that's released weekly. And I love to hear in the comments below your experience, or even if you'd like to let me know what kind of Yoga Nidra you need to support you the best. Take a second to honor yourself, to thank yourself for allowing you to rest. Thank you for being here.